Good day, I'm Caroline Brown-Thompson and this is your JIS News for Wednesday, May 22. Government has received positive feedback from the International Monetary Fund (IMF) for the progress being made to implement the country's economic program with support from the fund. On May 1, IMF's executive board approved a 4-year extended fund facility in the amount of $932.3 million. Head of the IMF staff mission team, which piloted those negotiations, Jan Kees Martin, says the fund is encouraged by the steady progress being made.
We have found a strong resolve to implement the program, and that is indeed critical because we all realize that there are serious challenges to be overcome.
Finance and Planning Minister Dr. Peter Phillips says government is committed to the process.
We have been very steadfast in implementing the program, and we look forward to continuing close cooperation not only with the fund but with our other international development partners as we move this program for the economic transformation of Jamaica forward.
The IMF's first quarter review for Jamaica is not due until August. Dr. Phillips says the Economic Program Oversight Committee established to monitor the implementation process has already met. The Housing Agency of Jamaica, HAJ, will be providing thousands of housing solutions this fiscal year, a number of which will benefit public sector workers and young professionals. Minister with responsibility for housing, Dr. Maurice Guy, made the announcement during his contribution to the 2013-2014 sectoral debate Tuesday.
Right across the length and breadth of this island, thousands of housing solutions have been and are being prepared as we speak.
The HAJ will spend $390 million building 173 studio units at Whitehall Phase 3 in Westmoreland. 604 one-bedroom units and 980 studio units will be constructed in Bernard Lodge, St. Catherine through public-private partnership. HAJ will also enter into public-private partnership agreements for the delivery of housing solutions in Grange, Penn St. James, Hopewell, Hanover, and Colbeck, St. Catherine. Minister Guy says a memorandum of understanding for another 600 solutions at Shooters Hill in Portmore will be presented to Cabinet shortly. Construction works will also be advanced at Bel Air 3 in St. Anne, and a contract for similar works at Luana Gardens in St. Elizabeth will be signed later in the fiscal year. Meanwhile, 50 homeowners will soon have their outstanding mortgage balances written off and their titles officially presented to them at a ceremony. The gesture is part of government's commemoration of Jamaica's 50th year of independence under the Ministry of Transport Works and Housing's Jubilee Housing Initiative. Minister Maurice Guy says suitable beneficiaries have now been identified and plans for the ceremony are being arranged.
The potential beneficiaries have been drawn from all parishes where there are active housing schemes being operated by the ministry.
Meanwhile, Dr. Guy says he has mandated the Housing Agency of Jamaica to accelerate its titling program so it can transfer 5,000 of the 9,000 outstanding titles for Operation Pride beneficiaries. The other 4,000 titles will be issued over the medium term when land ownership, surveying and land acquisition challenges are resolved. The Ministry of Transport Works and Housing is also advancing work under the Zinc fence removal project. The Petro-Carib Fund has provided $42 million to implement the work under the Jamaica Emergency Employment Program JEEP. It involves removing existing zinc fences in inner-city communities and replacing them with concrete block walls. Already 7 fences have been replaced along Payne Avenue in southwest St. Andrew, while work has started on 16 fences along Uganda and Lagos Avenues in the same area. The ministry plans to extend the program to Haile Selassie Avenue, 263 Spanish Town Road, Maxfield Avenue and Bedward Gardens. The project will be expanded to improve the security of students in the school environment. And finally, the Ministry of Youth and Culture will be partnering with the Jamaica Biscuit Company to host its annual Labor Day concert on Thursday, May 23 at the Kingston Waterfront. This year's event is billed as the Excelsior Watercrackers Marching Band Festival and Labor Day Concert. It will feature performances from different genres of music and features an impressive lineup of local artists and entertainers. Another exciting element of the show will be the parade of marching bands representing various various community groups within downtown Kingston and its vicinity. Activities will take place throughout the day, and the concert will start at 8 p.m. And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Carleen Brown-Thompson. Thanks for watching.